Here in the state of Michigan, a Michigander can carry a concealed pistol without obtaining a CPL in the following three areas. As a pro Second Amendment attorney and firearms instructor for over 15 years, I set off on a journey to combine my competition shooting knowledge, instructor experience, and legal background with a practical application to the firearm laws. I'm using my unique background to help you and your family make informed decisions to keep you safe on the range, on the street, and in the courtroom. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and in today's post we are talking about areas that a Michigander or a resident of Michigan is able to carry a concealed pistol without obtaining a CPL or a concealed pistol license. That's right. Here in the state of Michigan, a Michigander can carry a concealed pistol without obtaining a CPL in the following three areas: in their dwelling place or their dwelling house, on land that they possess, and also in a business that they own or that they possess. So let's look at what the area of the law is. It's MCL 750.227, and it reads like this. A citizen or an individual may carry a concealed pistol in number 1, their dwelling house, number 2, their place of business, or number 3, on other land possessed by the person without a license to carry the pistol as provided by law. Now, a dwelling house is going to be the easiest one to understand. If the citizen or the individual's name is on the deed to the property or the lease for the apartment, that citizen is going to be able to carry concealed in that home without obtaining a CPL. Remember, the law also tends to allow and explain the word dwelling house in more than just you owning the property or having the deed on the property. It may be a temporary or a short-term dwelling house that you're staying in, or a long-term dwelling house, or where you're domiciled at for that time. Now, as far as place of business goes, this one's mostly straightforward as well. If a citizen owns that business, they are typically going to be allowed to carry a concealed pistol in and on that property. Most of the time, though, people want to know, well, what about the employees? Well, there are some exceptions in the law that would provide for an employee carrying a concealed pistol, but we're not getting into those here today. Those will be explained in a different post. Make sure you subscribe to our blog or to this channel in order to make sure you get notified about that video. But let's look at the third one, other land that is possessed by that individual. This one is the trickiest of the three sections, and it can be used only in certain circumstances, and I really would caution anyone from trying to apply this area of the law, as it could be misinterpreted. And remember, if you get caught carrying a personal protection device without a CPL while you're out and about, it is a 5-year felony charge. So we don't want anyone being charged with a felony. And remember, other land that that a citizen possesses, it may be something like you have a hunting lease or something that you possess that land temporarily. But again, I caution anyone trying to apply this area of the law, make sure you seek trusted counsel, a trusted attorney before you go about doing such activity. Tips to think like a lawyer. Remember, understanding the boundaries of your property is vital and is key when trying to carry concealed without a CPL. Because again, if you don't know where those boundaries are and you're caught carrying that concealed pistol, that personal protection device outside those boundaries, you can be charged with a CCW felony. We represent clients all the time that get charged with that, and it's really a battle for their rights and for their freedom. So make sure that you guys know where your boundaries are if you're attempting to do this, and make sure that you are current on the laws here in Michigan before you do anything with your firearm, as the repercussions are generally pretty serious. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I appreciate you. Please leave a comment below, hit the like button, share this video, and if you support the Second Amendment, hit that notification bell so that you can see more of our posts like this one. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.